Red Menace here with David Guthrie starting strong safety, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, talk a little bit about what brought you to New Mexico, David.
Just really like the team, like how we're like a family. Because that was something I mean, I had my other offers. I had University of Illinois and Wake Forest came in a little late, but I mean, when I came here on my visit, I bonded really well with the coaches, Coach Davey, and last year's receiver coach before he moved to Wake Forest, Coach Stubblefield. I just clicked really well with the whole team and everything, and it's just like when I was looking for a home, I wanted to find somewhere where I could be like a family.
How much did you know about New Mexico football prior to coming here?
Well, I'm from Oregon, so a few years ago you guys played Oregon, and that was about the only thing I really ever saw, and that wasn't a very good game. But other than that, I didn't really know much. I didn't even know it was in Albuquerque. I never even heard of Albuquerque before. But then coming here, I fell in love with the place, so it's awesome.
Making a place you've never been to your home, I kind of remember that when I went from Albuquerque to Ann Arbor, Michigan. What were the things that made you want to stay once you got here?
Once I got here, I would say, like I said, just like the brotherhood that I built. I mean, we have one of my best friends here is the tight end Reese White, number 80, and you guys probably see him around a lot. I clicked really well with him, and just like with all the players, really all my roommates are football players, like Chris Edling, Daniel Henry, all of them. And that's what made me love it when I got here, because they made it worth it. Like, they made me want to be playing for the person beside me. So
Rebuilding the defense last year, I guess, had to be a real tough year for you because you guys just couldn't get off the field, it seemed like. What's different about this year?
This year, probably just our sense of urgency. I mean, we preach A to B, we preach effort, being physical, and looking for more turnovers. And I think that's something that's changed a lot about this defense. We trust each other. We do our 1/11th, and we do our part on the defense, and that's something that I think has changed a lot since spring ball.
Talk a little bit about the differences between Jeff Mills, your defensive coordinator last year, and Kevin Cosgrove, who was on the staff, who's been elevated to that position.
There's a big difference. I mean, Coach Cosgrove has been around. I mean, he's been in Nebraska, he's been at Wisconsin, D coordinator, and he knows what he's talking about, and people are going to trust him. I think last year that was kind of something that a lot of people didn't have with Coach Mills, was trust. But this year, we all trust Coach Cos, and whatever he says is what we're going to do. I mean, he preaches toughness, effort, and technique, and I think that's something that we all kind of been going off of. So that's probably the biggest difference.
Charles McMillan, your new defensive back coach. Talk a little bit about Coach McMillan, because I taught him to play golf this summer. I don't know if you know that.
I didn't know that. Coach McMillan, he's got energy. He's got a lot of energy, and he'll get out there and do it with you. I mean, if you're not doing it right, he'll be all over you. But that's something that we all needed as a DB and a DB group in the secondary. But that's a huge thing for us. I mean, he talks to us and he can relate to us because he played DB at Utah. He played corner, safety, all of it. So it's something that we were able to relate to with him, and I think that was really big. And he brings a lot of energy.
He talked a lot about, to me, last year there were like 3 or 4 calls for the same coverage, and he's done a lot to simplify that. How much better do you guys feel about the scheme?
I mean, we all feel so much better. We know exactly what we're doing. Now it's all about